Our own maintenance crew working on bridges here at Kent County is something I'm really excited about. Almost everyone in the state of Michigan who owns bridges has a need for more bridge work than ever before. Our infrastructure is getting to an age where it needs repair, it needs work, it needs improvement, it needs replacement at the same time, and there are only a finite number of bridge contractors. So more work but the same number of contractors has resulted in higher prices and harder scheduling. Right now we're in an era that we're really stretching dollars out, touching as many assets as we can, as many roads, as many bridges. By building up our own forces to be able to do a lot of this common bridge repair work, we're able to do work at cost, save money. Ultimately, the objective is to do the best we can with the resources we're afforded to keep the public moving.